Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and expert advice on finance and economics to help you become rich. In today's video, we'll discuss the 50-30-20 rule, a simple yet effective way to manage your money. This rule can help you create a balanced budget and ensures that you're saving enough money while still being able to enjoy life. First step. The first step in managing your money with the rule is to calculate your after-tax income. This is the amount of money left over from your paycheck after taxes and other deductions. For example, if you earn $60,000 per year and pay $10,000 in taxes, your after-tax income would be $50,000. Second step. The second step in managing your money with this rule is to divide your after-tax income into three different categories. Number 1, needs. Number 2, wants. And number 3, savings. The first category, needs, should take up 50% of your after-tax income. Needs includes things like housing, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, and other essential expenses. For example, if your after-tax income is $50,000, you should allocate $25,000 towards your needs, which is 50%. Third step. The third step is to allocate 30% of your after-tax income towards wants. Wants are things that you don't necessarily need, but that you enjoy and make your life more enjoyable. Examples of wants might include dining out, traveling, hobbies, and other leisure activities. Using the same example, if your after-tax income is $50,000, you should allocate $15,000 towards your wants, which is 30%. Final step. The final step is to save 20% of your after-tax income. This money should be put into a savings account or other long-term investment vehicle and can be used for things like emergencies, major purchases, or retirement. Using the same example, if your after-tax income is $50,000, you should save $10,000, which is 20%. By following this rule, you can create a budget that allows you to live comfortably while still saving enough money for the future. It's important to remember that this rule is a guideline and not a hard and fast rule, and you may need to adjust it to fit your individual circumstances. For example, if you have high medical expenses or a lot of debt, you may need to allocate a larger portion of your income towards your needs. On the other hand, if you have a high income or low expenses, you may be able to allocate more towards your wants and savings. It's also important to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. For example, if you get a raise or your expenses change, you may need to adjust the proportions of your budget to reflect these changes. By regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, you can make sure you're staying on track with your financial goals and living a balanced and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos for more insights on economics and finances.